ಅದು ಏನಾರ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು?
Statement. No, my lords, others police will also use these terms. Ullal police, my lord, use the police station for recovery of an due, allegedly due to a contractor. They call earlier in April, March, etc. My lord.
ಕೇಳುವ leisurely.
And in the meanwhile, what they have done is, there's some urgency, please.
Entry model ಏನು urgency?
Entry ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು
ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, not to
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
precipitate, not to precipitate. No coercive action.
ಕೋರ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
No, first time.
Coercive step.
That's what meant. Now we know that no coercive means.
Oh, you got that.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now we should be cautious when we make the prayer.
Whether you want to precipitate or coercive.
Your lordship.
Candidly ಹೇಳು. No, I said coercive steps. No, precipitate. Don't take precipitate.
No. Now my lords, others police will also use these terms. Now my lord, allegation, this complaint is, my lords, that certain money payable to the contractor has not been paid. Since 23 is the contract, now amount has not been paid. Then the police registered the FIR in July 14th. Now, my lord, before that we were summoned to the police station, and my lord, in the police station statements are recorded. We said no. Houdu. And kindly see page number 69.
Complainant yaru?
Complainant is respond number 2, my lords. And in the meanwhile, what they have done is, my lords, despite my lords' direction, of course, coercive, my lords, what they do is, my lord, the allegation, the complaint is 60 lakhs is due. 60 lakhs and odd is due. We have given the statement to the police. We have paid 50 lakhs by way of check. That's
police ga?
In the state police station, we have given the details 2 months earlier, my lords. Now they suppress it and they say 60 lakhs is due. Now, when your lordships granted some interim order, which will protect us, what they did is they created lien on the 4 bank accounts of Pitsa number 1 company. For each lien is 64 lakhs. There are 4 liens now.
I will demark all the lien now.
That 60 lakhs is for the material supplied.
ಅದು ಏನಾರ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು? ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಮನಿ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಡೀಪ್ ಫ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾಕೆ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲೀನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾಕೆ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವ್ಯಾಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು?
No, my lords, our is a company. We have paid 50 lakhs and odd. Thereafterwards, no bill has come because bill we believe it's not genuine. Therefore, not submit any bills. We have given the same statement to the police.
ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Same statement. Same statement we have given, my lords. And there is an arbitration clause.
Till the appearance of the complainant, further investigation shall remain stayed. At the behest of the complainant, it appears that the investigating officer has directed marking of the lien of 60 lakhs in each of the account of the petitioner. The lien so marked shall be demarked forthwith. List the matter on 19th August.
That IA we had filed, we had mentioned the lien, my lords. Now they have, in addition to that, 4 lien created for 60 lakhs each. That's claim is 60.
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
ಇನ್ನೂ 4 ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಲೀನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಈಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೆಲಸ, ಅವರ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಲೀನ್ 60 lakhs ಕ್ಲೈಮ್
ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ SPP ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿ.
I thought SPP will inform them in advance because if seeing this case, I feel SPP will himself have blasted them. Why you registered such a case?
Why you have registered? Allah, obviously, yes. Next. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು?
My lord, 1 crore 10 lakhs rupees was
ಏನು
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅವರಿಗೆ. Out of which 25 lakhs have been received, my lord. Remaining 85 lakhs rupees ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. NOC against security deposit, purchase of scrap material, Godrej.
My lord, bad by time, my lord.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸಾ?
My lord, no, my lord. I'll
What do you mean?
I'll show a few documents.
Just because you want recovery of money, suit time bar agide anta you can initiate criminal proceedings?
No, my lord.
Then
I'll demonstrate, my lord.
what will demonstrate?
These are the documents.
What end documents kodi?
That
What was the agreement between both of you?
There is no agreement, my lord.
Then what is it?
Lord.
Why money was taken by you?
Money was taken as advance.
Where is that? Advance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Receipt ಅವರು submit ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ receipt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
but
ನಾನು ಇದು
still we
produce
have
ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು.
returned the amount.
Lords, may kindly see at page
ಕಾಪಿ
number.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
Copy ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ.
The report was filed, my lord.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು,
Moreover,
ಈ
my
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್
lord,
ಆಗಿದೆ.
After securing the interim order, my lord, notice ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವಾಗೆ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಈಗ ನೀವು 25 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Which document you have, sir? No, ಮತ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Complaint ಹಾಕಿನಿ.
ಹಾ,
Page
ಆಮೇಲೆ?
number, page number 30.
ಹ್ಮ್.
That is a letter issued by them.
ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ, ಆಯ್ತು.
This is a letter issued by them, my lord.
ಹ್ಮ್.
And in that, my lord, at paragraph number 3,
ಹ್ಮ್.
they say the balance term shall be paid on the daily basis of the weight which the sum of total
ಹ್ಮ್.
25 lakhs
Lakhs.
have been received.
Shall be forfeited and this letter shall be treated as null and void.
That only when my lord, if we don't make the complete payment.
Hmm.
My lord, to show that we have made complete payment,
Hmm.
page number.
When did you register the crime, sir?
My lord,
When did you register the crime?
the crime was registered in 2019, my lord.
2019.
19. Then thereafter, B report was filed.
Hmm.
I go before the magistrate
Hmm.
and then I file a protest.
Hmm.
And then I produce all these documents.
Hmm.
And then the cognizance has been taken and now the trial has been started.
Hmm.
Meanwhile, they have filed the petition before this honorable court and secured it. There are 3 accused, my lord,
Hmm.
in which accused number 3 was my agent.
Hmm.
He had taken cash from me
Hmm.
and he had traveled to Bombay
Hmm.
and he had given the money through cash
Hmm.
and received cash receipts. These cash receipts are available at page number 25, 26, 27 and 29, my lord,
Hmm.
of the memo that I have filed.
ಇದು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
One ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
Only one.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವೋಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, saying that we shall earn
Just
more.
because you have lost the limitation to file a civil suit does not mean we will permit you to use criminal machinery for recovery of money. No, straight, open and shut.
Not the case, my lord. Meanwhile, they have induced me to saying that ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they make and send letters, they send emails and everything and they say
Suit ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
that because my lord, what they do is
You would show me one communication between 2016 to 2019. One communication between both of you.
my lord,
I will entertain the petition.
my ill fate, my lord, I have not produced
No,
that in this matter.
one
But,
communication.
page number 10, my lord, page number 10, along with my complaint.
ಹ್ಮ್. ಆ complaint
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂತ ಅದೇ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
2016 ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಮೇಲ್
16 ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. 16 the moment you lost, you got the cause of action. Till the date of registration of the crime, what communication have you? One communication.
ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಎಲ್ಲ 16
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10
between 16 and 19, 17, 18, 19, one communication ಕೊಡಿ.
there are communications, my lord.
ಹಾ?
Opportunity may be given, I'll produce that with certificate
How
copies
much
of-
opportunity?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ original.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
No, it is there. I
ಆಯ್ತು
can
ಕೊಡಿ,
produce that.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
One date may be given,
Oh,
I'll produce on that
definitely.
day, my lord.
The
My lord,
petition,
in the NOC
enter
they
ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ
said-
ಮೇಡಮ್? Yes.